In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Trello board to CSV. First, open your web browser and head to Trello.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your boards. Once you're on the home screen, look for the boards view. This is where all of your boards are listed within your workspaces, making it easy to pick the one you want to export. Click the board you'd like to export to open it. With the board on screen, move to the top right corner and open the menu by clicking the three dots icon. This reveals actions related to the entire board, not just a single card or list, which is exactly what we need for an export. From that menu, choose Print, Export, and Share. In the options that appear, select Export as CSV. As soon as you click it, Trello will generate a comma-separated values file of your board and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to choose a save location, or it will go straight to your Downloads folder. The file name usually includes your board name, so it's easy to spot. A quick note on access: CSV export may be limited by your workspace plan or permissions. If you don't see the export option, check whether your workspace uses a paid plan that includes CSV export, or ask an admin to run the export for you. What you get in the CSV is a structured snapshot of your board that's perfect for reporting, backups, or moving data into spreadsheets and databases. You can open it in Excel, Google Sheets, Numbers, or any tool that supports CSV files. Typical fields include the card title, description, list, labels, due dates, status, and members. Items like attachments and long discussion threads are not always included in CSV, so keep that in mind if you plan to archive those separately. Before you export, it's a good practice to make sure the board reflects what you want captured. Confirm your lists and labels are clear, and that any key, due dates, or assignees are up to date. After exporting, check your spreadsheet for date formats and special characters. If you see odd characters, switch the import encoding to UTF-8 in your spreadsheet app for clean text. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Trello board to CSV and you're ready to analyze, share, or archive the data wherever you need it.